Good day to all of you. Myself, Savant Ajay Kumar Bhaskar, working as an assistant professor in Shiv Shankar College of Agriculture Engineering, Mirasgaon, affiliated by Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapit, Rahuri. Today, I am delivering lecture on autocycle. Autocycle is important for all the fields students which are correlated with automotive. For delivering all concepts related to autocycle, I have undertaken as well as make this lecture on autocycle. The content of this topic is introduction, what is autocycle, autocycle processes, work, thermal efficiency and their applications. Number first, introduction of autocycle. In 1876, a German engineer Nicholas August Otto built first working four-stroke engine, a stationary engine using a coal gas air mixture for fuel. The cycle of Otto engine is called as Otto cycle. What is Otto cycle? Because of complicated analysis, some assumptions on Otto cycles are made. The main assumption is that the working fluid is ideal air and heat is transferred by heat reservoir. So this cycle known as air standard cycle. Otto cycle consists of four processes. Number first, two are constant volume, that is called as isochoric. Two are isentropic process. In this cycle, heat addition is done at constant volume process. So this cycle is also known as constant volume cycle. Otto cycle processes. Next one is isentropic compression. The gas is compressed adiabatically from state 1 to state 2. See here in this graph I have shown volume at horizontal line and the pressure at vertical line. In this graph, that is process of adiabatic, how it will be happened shown by using the graphitical. So as the piston moves from bottom dead center to the top dead center, adiabatic process to become completed. That means here number one first point and number second point. These 2 points indicate that the adiabatic compression. The changes in volume and its ratio, that is V1 by V2, is known as compression ratio. Process in Otto cycles. See here, this one is the horizontal line indicate volume and the vertical line indicate that the pressure. Number 1 point, number second, number third and number fourth. Number 1 toward the 2 point. This one is a compression stroke, this is called as adiabatic compression. Then last one is the third to fourth, that is adiabatic expansion, is called as power stroke. Okay. So how these processes are to be completed inside the engines, shown by using the one by one their processes as well as the movement of their piston as well as crankshaft inside the engine. Number first one is the intake stroke, second one is the compression stroke, third one is the power stroke and last one is the exhaust stroke. Isochoric compression is also called as the ignition phase. In this phase, heat transfer to the air from an external source while the piston is at top dead center. This process is intended to represent the ignition of the fuel air mixture injected. The pressure rises and the ratio, that is P3 by P2, is known as the explosion ratio. Isentropic expansion is also called as the power stroke. The gas expands adiabatically. The gas does works on the piston and the forces it to move to the bottom dead center, that is called as the BDC. The volume ratio that is V4 by V3 is known as isentropic expansion ratio, but for Otto cycle it is equal to compression ratio. They are working. During the Otto cycle, work is done on the gas by the piston between state 1 and 2, that is called as isentropic compression. Work is done by the gas on the piston between stages 3 and 4, that is called as isentropic expansion. The last one, that is difference between the work done by gas and the work done by gas on the gas is net work produced by the cycle, and it corresponds to the area enclosed by the cycle curve. So how it will be calculate their thermal efficiency in Otto cycles? Here is I have given one formula to calculate the thermal efficiency. In general, the thermal efficiency of heat engine is defined as the ratio of it does W, that is work, to the heat input at the high temperature. Okay, so thermal efficiency is equal to W divided by QH is equal to W is nothing but as QH minus QC divided by QH. Further expansion, 1 minus QC divided by QH, that is arithmetically MCV in bracket T3 minus T2 Q out MCV in bracket T4 minus T1. Thermal efficiency finally 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. Then thermal efficiency of Otto cycle engine is equal to 1 minus in bracket V2 divided by V1 bracket close ratio raised to K minus 1. Further expansion, 1 minus 1 divided by C into R raised to K minus 1. This one is the formula used to calculate the thermal efficiency of Otto cycle. Then last one is the application. Common cycle used in internal combustion engine. Otto cycle, that is 4-stroke, intake, compression, power and exhaust. Engines are commonly used in mostly in cars, trucks, tractors. Thank you.